Okay, this video is to show you how to embed a document and video into our school district website. So the other day we were talking about how to do this, and I want to show you exactly how to embed a Google Doc or a YouTube video into our school website. So it's pretty simple. Let's first start with our Google Doc. If you go up to File, Publish to the Web, right here. It will come up with a screen that says make your content visible to anyone by publishing it to the web. So you have a link option and you also have an embed option. So if you go and click on embed, hit published, it will come up with this HTML code. And you want to copy and paste this HTML code. So go ahead and copy it. Now I'll go back to our website. I'm already in the website here on this screen. And you'll notice that this is what I have set up for our student handbook. So I have the link to our student handbook, but I also have the handbook embedded into our website. So you'll see here that it's set up as a script window. I did that by hitting add page component, and I created a script window, not a text window. So that's very important. Once you've done that, you will go ahead and paste that HTML code into this script HTML box and hit save. And that's all I've done here. Now, what you notice in my handbook, I have the width and the height set up. That's so that my handbook isn't overflowing my web page. So you will want to make sure that that is put right after this little inside arrow before the iframe and right after the quotation mark right here. So in your HTML code, you need to find that point where it says iframed. You have the two arrows going at each other. You'll put your width and your height right here. And you can play with those numbers to make it fit exactly how you want it to fit. But those are just some standard numbers that I've used that have worked out for me. So that's how you embed a Google Doc or any Google form into your website. Now with YouTube, it's a little bit different. It's actually a little bit easier. I'm gonna go ahead and use this video as our example. You'll want to find the share button, so the share arrow. Once you hit that share arrow, you will see a screen that pops up like this on most YouTube videos, and you will want to click on embedded. It produces a HTML code here for you. You're going to do the same thing. You see right there, there's those arrows. You'll put in that width and that height, those numbers to fit your web page. You're going to go ahead and copy and paste this in there. Actually, there's a little bit easier way to do that. You don't have to put those numbers in here. You can actually go down here where it says show more, and you can adjust the video size however you want. So this is a new feature of YouTube that I just realized that's there. So if I adjust this size, it will automatically adjust the width and the height how I want it. Or I can customize the size and I can put any numbers into those boxes. So if I want it to be 240 by 400, I can do that as well. And notice that right here I have some options to show suggested videos, show the player controls, show video titles. If I don't want those suggested videos to come up, all I have to do is just uncheck that box. And when it goes into my website, it won't show suggested videos, which can be a very good thing for you. And all you do is you copy and paste this code and you go back into our website under a script window input that code right here and hit saved, and it should show up into our website. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, that's how you embed a Google Doc or YouTube video into our school website. Thank you.